What's up, fellow YouTubers? All right, you have Harvey Thompson here, one of the BYOS bros. And today I feel like I want to break down something for you guys. I call it brush singles. Why? Because it mimics like a paintbrush, and it's singles. So real fast, before I jump into it, I need you guys to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you can see the next time I post something, all right? And also, I just want you guys to let me know in the comments if I should do more. So jumping right into it. So brush singles, it looks like this. All right, and what we're gonna do is regular singles. But now you're taking your left hand and you bringing it upward like a brush, and you like painting it. So the bead of the stick is hitting here, and this part of the bead is not the top of the stick, it's still the bead, but it happens really fast. All right, so now, for instance, we did 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. One more time, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and stop. What we would do is fill it in with the right hand, but we're gonna start on the left. So you'll have 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a stop. So a little bit faster. Cool. So now starting on the right hand, it becomes the E and the 1 E and 1 E and 2 E and All right, and now the most important thing is when you jump into doing the brush singles, you want to make sure that you tighten up on both hands, because you can't do this loose. So why would you play this hand loose? You know, so it'll sound like a loose right hand, very, very unbalanced and uneven. So when you get to that, tighten this up. All right, and then that way you can have it in there. All right, so thanks for watching, and like I said, subscribe, hit the notification button. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I will definitely be bringing you guys more videos like this.
All I do is eat, sleep.